Good morning, everyone, and welcome to your daily pulse. Go to source of the heartbeat of the world. I am Aditya, bringing you the biggest stories shaping of our planet right now. It's Sunday, January 25, 2026, and today we are diving straight into the headline with major focus of escalating tension in United States and ripple effect worldwide. Breaking US immigration incident spark outrage. We begin in the United States where a deadly shooting by the federal immigration officer in Minneapolis has ignited whispered protest and national debate. A man identity as Alex Pretty was shot and killed by the agent during what authorities describe as an attempt to with disarm him after he voluntarily registered video of the incident has going viral during hundreds to a memory wiggle in the city last night. Critics are calling in the last exam of the expensive focus in immigration enforcement under the current administration will official mental the officer act in self-defense. This marked the second such deadly encounter in recent weeks, feeling calls for reform and adding heart to ongoing ICE operation. Severe winter weather harming US. Stay in the US, a massive winter storm, devoured winter storm fare by the some outlets country to batter much of the country. Over 10 over 1 lakh's power outrage have been re- reported and hundreds of the flights were cancelled yesterday ahead of the all storm arrival from the northeast to the Middle East. Heavy snow and the dangerous conditions are expected through today and into the morning. The National Weather Service warned of the light threatening cold and travel chase New York City issue a snow alert starting at 1 a.m. with significant impact forecast for the region. Stay safe if you are in affected areas. Trump trade threatening global fallout. On the international front, President Donald Trump aggressive trade rhetorics is making wave. He threatened to the slap at the strangering 100% traffic of Canadian imports if Canada purchased any major deal with China, a move that has raised alarm about a frontal news trade war involving the US, Canada, and Mexico. This comes aim broader tension, including reward talk, US interest in the Greenland, which has Danish soldiers, and NATO. Aliens expects expenses, deep concern, and feeling of the Britly insult directly at the NATO troops have further started aliens elegance with reaction purchase in from Europe as ever around the global protest continue in the Iran over the economic woes with calling for the government change gaining moment. European face its deepest humanities crisis here due to the ongoing infrastructure attack. And in sports and cultures, figures stature Almling in turning ahead with recording breaking performance. The Daily Buzz stay informed that the pulse from today. from US states in global abundance. That world is moving fast. We keep monitoring these development stories and bringing you update throughout the day. For more ahead of the war, our website or falling of the axe is the daily pulse. Stay tuned, stay informed. Thank you for watching. I have liked this video. I'm sorry for my pronunciation because I have problem to pronounce. Thank you for watching this video.